Rosoboronexport JSC, part of Russian state-owned Rostec, will showcase homegrown drones in the 5th International Unmanned Systems Exhibition and Conference, UMEX 2022, which will be held from February 21 to 23 in Abu Dhabi, U.A.E. Today Rosoboronexport is successfully promoting the Orlan-10E and Orion-E reconnaissance and reconnaissance, strike unmanned aircraft systems, the Kub-E kamikaze drone, and is also preparing to launch a wide range of ultralight, heavy attack, rotary-wing and multi-rotor drones on the external market. At the UMEX 2022 specialized exhibition, we will showcase products from Russian manufacturers, hold presentations and negotiations on cooperation in this area with representatives of the United Arab Emirates and other Middle East countries, said Alexander Mikheev, Director General of Rosoboronexport. There is high interest today in unmanned systems in the Middle East, which has considerable potential for equipping its law enforcement agencies with high-tech products. This is one of the most promising market segments in the region. Along with the growing demand for drones, there is an increased attention to drone detection and suppression systems. These products are particularly relevant in the Middle East region, where drone attacks by terrorists occur repeatedly. Rosoboronexport offers its partners a wide range of means for equipping their law enforcement and army units, as well as private companies engaged in the protection of infrastructure facilities, oil and gas industry enterprises and critical organizations, Alexander Mikheev added. Rosoboronexport is ready to consider cooperation on the export of some UAV countermeasure systems, such as repellent patrol, Kupol, Rubesh Avtomatika and Pishal. In addition, the company has developed and offers its partners a comprehensive counter-drone system combining electronic warfare and air defense systems of various classes.